Let's kick things off then with our big focus. Delhi's power tussle continues. Now, Delhi's Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung has asked for files of all important decisions taken by the Arvind Kejriwal-led AAP government. Now, this comes just days after the Delhi High Court upheld the administrative powers of the LG in matters of public order, land, police and services, including the power to appoint civil servant. Times Now's executive editor Navika Kumar has a copy of the memorandum and she gets us more details in this report. Take a look.
It's very clear that the Lieutenant Governor has decided to hit back after the High Court judgment. In fact, I have in my hand a copy of the letter. It's a memorandum that has been sent off, and it says whereas whatever appointments and statutory bodies were set up, and for the last 1.5 years no prior permission of the Lieutenant Governor was taken, all of those files will now need to be put. So all appointments to statutory bodies, those appointment files will go to the Lieutenant Governor. It also goes on to say that all those issues will now have to be brought to the Lieutenant Governor's notice. Every single principal secretary, every head of the department, every board, every institution, everything that falls under the Delhi government, all of them, wherever the LG's approval is not there, all those files need to go to the LG now by the 17th of August. That's the deadline that has been set.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.